Did you know that nearly 60% of retirees don't fully understand how annuities work, even though they're marketed as the ultimate retirement safety net? Misunderstanding them could cost you thousands or even your financial security. Welcome back to Simply Money. Today, we're uncovering the truth about annuities. They're growing in popularity as a retirement tool, but are they the right choice for you? Let's dive in and separate the facts from the fiction. You're going to see glossy brochures promoting annuities. Annuities promise guaranteed income and peace of mind. But here's the catch. They're often more complex than they seem. A couple common misconceptions is thinking they are risk-free when hidden fees can erode your returns, or believing they'll solve all your retirement income problems without understanding the trade-offs like loss of liquidity. Many fixed annuities offer guaranteed returns but barely outpace inflation, while variable annuities can expose you to high management fees that eat into your earnings. These issues leave many retirees confused and frustrated. So, what exactly are annuities and why do they spark so much debate? As you might tell, I'm not a fan of annuities because I think you can do better on your own, but people want that peace of mind and they're marketed as safe and secure, almost replacing a pension, because we no longer see pensions anymore. And people like that surefire, I will get X number of dollars for the rest of my life or for a set number of years, but they don't look at the hidden costs and the downsides of it. They just take the safety. Again, what exactly are annuities? You have different types of annuities. You have the fixed annuities, which offer steady income but low growth potential. There's variable annuities, higher growth potential tied to the market performance, but with higher risk and fees. Then you have indexed annuities, combine elements of both, with returns linked to the market indexes, but capped at a certain level. And then there's immediate versus deferred annuities. Choose between receiving payments right away or deferring them to a future date. While the promise of a lifetime income is appealing, the drawbacks such as high fees, surrender charges, and lack of flexibility often outweigh the benefits for many retirees. For example, some annuities come with annual fees exceeding 3%, significantly reducing your returns over time. Please, if you're going to get an annuity, read the fine print. Get a copy of the fine print. Take the time and understand. You have to remember, annuities are sold by who? Insurance companies. Who works for insurance companies? Insurance agents. Who makes money off of selling annuities? Insurance agents and insurance companies. Read the fine print. They are not doing it out of the goodness of their heart. There are fees, sometimes large fees. Please look at that. Here's the truth. Annuities aren't inherently bad, but they're not one-size-fits-all solutions either. They're most effective when used as part of a balanced retirement plan, supplementing other income sources like pensions and investments. But beware of high-pressure sales tactics. Always ask these questions. What are the total fees? Are there surrender penalties if I need my money early? Will this annuity keep up with inflation? One of the things I see all the time is you can get X number of dollars for the rest of your life. Well, that's great. Let's just say for $10,000, and you start drawing that today, but you're still getting $10,000 in 30 years. Your $10,000 in 30 years isn't going to feel like the $10,000 today because of inflation. Remember, the real benefit of an annuity depends on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial picture. You have to know all of these factors before making this decision. To sum it up, annuities can provide guaranteed income, but they come with trade-offs like fees, complexity, and reduced flexibility. Understanding these factors is crucial to making informed retirement decisions. What's your take on annuities? Have you considered them for your retirement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd be interested in other people's thoughts on annuities. For me, I'm going to stick with ETFs and index funds and managing my own portfolio and reducing those fees and having the flexibility that I want in my retirement. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Simply Money.